Good day everyone, I'm Justin Bisnar, Senior College of Base Community. Bill of Rights. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The rights of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be available, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant. And the witness he may produce and particularly describe the place to be searched and the person or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be available except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained and available on this or preceding section shall be admissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed obliging on the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press of the right of the people, peaceable to assemble and petition on government for redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting on establishment or religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious provision and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever and be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the be impaired except upon lawful right to travel be impaired except the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized, access to official record, and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decision as well as to government research data, use of basis for policy. Development shall be afforded the citizen subject to such limitation as will be provided by law. Section 8. The right of people, including those employed in the public or private sector, to form union, association of societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be obliged. Section 9. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 10. Free access to the court and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 12. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel favorable of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of counsel, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing in the presence of counsel. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offense punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt it is strong, shall before conviction by bailable for sufficient surety or be released on recognizes of as may be provided by law. The right the right bail shall not be impaired even when the privilege of the right of habeas corpus of suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved, and shall enjoy the right to be heard by himself and counsel, to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, to have a speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face, and to have compulsory process, to secure the attendance of witness and the production of evidence in the behalf wherever after arraignment. Trial may proceed not notwithstanding the absence of the accused, provided that has been duly notified and has failure to appear is adjustable. Section 18. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before the judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political belief and aspiration. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except as a punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 18. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, non-cruel discarding of inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty and imposed unless of a compelling reason involving injurious crimes that Congress hereafter provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. The employment of physical, psychological, and degrading punishment against any prisoner or detained, of the use of substandard and equity penal facilities under subhuman conditions shall be dealt with by law. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for the or non-payment of a poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice but jeopardy of punishment for the same offense if act punishment by a law, and an endurance, conviction, or acquittal under it shall constitute a bar of another prosecution of the same act. Section 22. No ex post facto all law or bail of attender shall be enacted. Thank you.